This is Corin from Scalar Apps. I'm going to show you how to activate and deactivate the Redirect Pro Shopify app in your store. So firstly, from your Shopify admin, you want to go to Online Store here, and then make sure you're in Themes. On your current theme, click Customize to open the theme editor. Once that's opened, you'll see in the left sidebar here, App Embeds. Click that. Then you'll see Redirect Pro come up here. You'll see the app icon. If you've got lots of other apps installed, you can easily search for it here. It's Redirect Pro. Make sure you toggle this on. And the most important bit, save the changes to your theme. Once you've had confirmation that the changes are saved, you can exit and the broken link tracking will start for the app. So from that point onwards, anytime one of your customers lands on a 404 error page, the app will track this and notify you in the broken links page. That's really, really important to remember that if you update your theme or if you choose and activate a new theme, you need to reactivate the Redirect Pro app in the same way I've just showed you. So you'd go to current theme, customize, and then enable the app block.